Hello students, welcome to science class. Now in this video we'll start new lesson chapter 7 weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. So students, do you remember the things that you were asked to pack when you were heading for a hill station or sometime? When the sky is cloudy, your parents also sometimes insist you to carry an umbrella with you. Have you heard sometime your family members discuss the weather before planning a family trip or a family function? So it has profound effect on our lives. Many of our daily activities are planned based on the weather predicted for the day. So there are daily reports of the weather on the television and radio also, in newspaper also. But you know what is weather really is? And I am giving you one situation also. Two boys are there. One is Arjun and Ajay. So they are planning to go and watch the cricket match between India and Australia. But they are worried if it will rain on the day of the match then. So what is the weather forecast for the day of the match? So knowing about the weather beforehand makes it easier for us to plan our activity. So in this chapter we will study about the weather and climate. We will also see how different forms of life are adapted to the climate of their habitat. So we will learn about weather, climate and adaptation of different animals in different climates. So first is weather. So we find that the daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity and rainfall during past 24 hours. And it also predicts the weather for the day, humidity. And you notice that measure of moisture in air also. First is Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere, that you know. So the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time is called weather. First, what is weather? The condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and time is called weather. And one more thing, the weather of a place keeps changing. This is very important. The weather of a place keeps changing. Temperature, humidity. Humidity means amount of water vapor in the air. So temperature, humidity, speed and direction of wind and air determine the weather of a place. What is determine the weather of a place? Temperature, humidity means amount of water vapor in air, speed and direction of wind. These all things determine the weather of a place, and these vectors are called elements of the weather. What are the elements of weather? Temperature, humidity, speed and direction of wind. These all factors are called elements of weather. So you also can do one activity. First, you also cut a weather report that comes in a newspaper and all, and you can record the information from the weather reports collected by you. Now fill the column according to the data, and you can make one chart also. So do all the 7 days have the same maximum and minimum temperature? humidity and rainfall. So the maximum and minimum temperatures records may be the same for the day. However, all the parameters are not the same on any 2 days. Remember thing. The maximum and minimum temperatures recorded may be the same for the day for some of the days. However, all the parameters are not the same on any 2 days. Over a week, there may be considerable variation. So, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather at that place. Again, the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather of that place. So, the temperature, humidity and other factors are called the elements of the weather. And the weather of a place changes day after day and week after week also. That is why we often say that today's weather is too humid, or the weather was warm last week, like that. So the atmospheric condition of a place on a daily basis with regard to aspects such as humidity, the temperature, wind temperature, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is referred to as the weather of that place. Now again, weather is produced with the interaction of several factors that include. It means we can say the weather is such a complex phenomena. It means that it can vary over a very short period of time. So temperature or heat, humidity or amount of water vapor in the air, then wind and atmospheric pressure, precipitation or the amount of rain, then cloudiness or the amount of cloud over, the visibility, that is how far you can look into the horizon, like fog and all, then wind and an atmospheric pressure. So the weather is such a complex phenomena, we can say, that it can vary over short period of time. It means it can happen sometimes that it is sunny in the morning, but suddenly cloud appear from nowhere and it start raining heavily also. And a heavy rain may vanish in a matter of minutes and give way to bright sunshine also. So you also must have had several such experience. So since weather is such a complex phenomena, it is not easy to predict. Again, weather is such a complex phenomena, so it is not easy to predict. See, now we'll see about climate. So here one more thing I am telling you. So the weather report are prepared the meteorological department of a government. In government, one department is there, meteorological department, and in this meteorological department prepare the weather report. So the department collect data on temperature, wind, etc. and makes the weather prediction. So climate referred to as the average weather condition of the place. That in simple word, taken over a long period of time. So for example, I am telling you the climate of a desert is said to be hot and dry. So as desert remains hot most of the year, so the climate of desert is hot. So climate varies from region to region. For example, Rajasthan has a hot climate for most part of the year, whereas the northeastern states in India usually have a wet climate. So climate of a place depends on the several factors. Some factors I am telling you: distance from the sea, then humidity, altitude or height above the sea level, amount of sunlight received, these all factors. So meteorologists record the weather every day. The records of the weather have been preserved for the past several decades, and this help us to determine the weather pattern at a place. So the average weather pattern taken over a long time, for example say 25 years, is called the climate of the place. Again, the average weather pattern taken over a long time, say 25 years, is called the climate of that place. So here we find that the temperature at a place is high most of the time. Then we say that the climate of the place is hot. If there is also heavy rainfall on most of the days in the same place, then we can say that the climate of that place is hot and wet. Understood? So the average pattern of the weather recorded over a long time, say 25 years, is known as the climate of the place. If the temperature at a place is high mostly, then we affirm that the climate of that place is hot. If on most of the days there is heavy rainfall in the same place, then we affirm that the climate of that place is wet and hot. Here in picture also you can see that hot and wet. See, weather versus climate. Again, what is weather? The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. Weather means the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. is called the weather of that place. And what is climate? The average weather pattern taken over a long time is called the climate of the place. And so what are the elements of the weather? Temperature, humidity, wind speed, moisture, these all are the factors of weather. See, weather can change within a few minutes or hours, we can say, and climate takes very long time to changes. Again, two difference between weather and climate. Weather means weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere. It means it can change within a few minutes or sometime hour. And what is climate? Climate is an average weather pattern. Climate is a average weather pattern taken over a long period of time. So it takes very long time to change. So this is the difference between weather and climate. So students, till here only. Now in next video we'll learn about some more topics of this lesson. Till then, go through the video twice for better understanding. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.